The Creem CLI is probably the tool that has the biggest impact on how I handle payments. I stop at tabling on the dashboard, transcription, subscription, checkout states. It's just all there in the terminal, right next to my code. In today's video, I'm gonna walk through my actual workflow, how I create products, test payment, debug issues, and eventually handle the whole scene of an AI agent. So as you can see, I already created a stock, named it my first 1 million SaaS. Then I go to the API key sidebar, create an API key for my dev environment. Please make sure don't leave your API key to anybody, including your AI agent. After that, you can install Creem CLI by Homebrew. Now let's log in. So I paste my API key. As you can see, we are in the test environment. And also by typing create whoami, you can see the API key and environment you're using right now. Normally, if you using Creep to create a product, you can use its website in the dashboard. But since we are using the CLI tools, so I'm gonna create a product by the CLI natively. Let's create a subscription product. I will type this out so you can see every flag. I'm gonna split my terminal. Before using Codex, make sure you download the official Creem skill to current directory. Prices are in cents, so $19.99 here means $19.99. Text category is SaaS, so Creem handle global tests automatically. I don't think about VAT or GST, it just works. At the same time, I'm gonna prompt my codex to create a new product. Product is live. Let's grab the checkout URL. Now I open the checkout page and go through the test purchase. Creem gives you a set of cards for different scenarios. This is my favorite part. You can always confirm what happened from the CLIs. Checkout stays complete. So far, I've been running specific queries, but sometimes I just want to browse. Creem transactions. No subcommand. You open an interactive browser like a dashboard but in the terminal. J and K to move, same as Win. Enter for detailed. Q to quit. Workflow products, customer subscription tools. I use it. I don't want to how to search for. Open 2E, scroll down, grab an ID, then run a specific command. Once the agent has CLI access, you can ask bigger questions. I asked for a business summary. So it starts with Who am I to check the account, then product list, customer list, subscription, transcription, pulling everything. Now it's putting it together. MRR, ARR, revenue by plan, subscriber count, 6 command, 1 question, 4 business snapshot. I didn't copy or format anything. For solo dev, this is huge. Business over that normally needs a bio tool done in 30 seconds. Beyond building and debugging, here's some command I use regularly. Me on the left, AI agent on the right. So first is Creem product list. It has the table outputs, names, price, and states. The second is Creem subscription list. It shows the active subscription. Now a real customer support scenario. Let's say a customer email about an invoice, or they want to update their card. First, grab their customer ID, one command, and you get the billing protocol link. Send that to your customer, and you're done. Now on the right panel, same workflow, but for the agent. Prompt, check my store states, list all products, count active and past due subscriptions, and find the billing protocol link for customer. But really, the only difference is that tables are for humans, JSON for agents. Alright, next, verification script. Every time I test armitage, I used to manually run 3 commands to verify everything. Check out subscription, transcription every single time. Let's automate that. Super simple script. Pass in a checkout ID, it checks all 3 pieces of the flow, checkout state, subscription, and latest transaction. Now let's run it. All green, full chain float. That's my setup. CLI give me the feedback loop. AI agent handle the rest. Command and verification script are in the description. Skill.md link is there too. If you got a better workflow, I'd like to hear about it.